Well, actually, I got into trading at the age of about 16 or so when I had no money, obviously, and I was a child and I was at school. And I started trading with my first pocket money. Well, you cannot really call it trading, but I bought some stocks at least time, one in a month, because I could not afford anymore. And so it was my first steps into trading. And then afterwards, when I was a student, I increased that more and more. And then I really also came when the markets opened, like the Deutsche Terminbörse. So I started trading also certificates and options and warrants, and that increased more and more. I wouldn't say it's fun in that respect. It's not really fun, but it's a kind of passionate, gives you the passionate feeling when you win, but also when you lose, of course. Yeah, there's fear and anger involved, there's joy involved. And of course, there's a possibility to make money. And that's what attracted me most, of course, as a child when I was a student. So I want to make money and thought it could be an easy way to make money. Actually, it turned out to be not an easy way to make money, but you can make money if you practice long enough. One of the biggest lessons I learned is you have to be patient. You should not go into overtrading. So when you sit in front of your screen and you think you must trade now, but there's no signal, no sign, no entrance signal, you better leave that. So I lost a lot of money when I thought I must trade now because I've traded for some day, and then it was exactly the wrong trade, the wrong time, and I lost money. Follow your strategy, and if your strategy says do not trade now, don't trade now. They do not, I mean, it's obvious and everybody says that, but it's really true. People, even myself, also trap into that I do not cut the losses short, I let the losses run instead of letting the profits run. So when it comes to the time that you should cut your losses, you always have the hope that the market should reverse and move into your direction. But the market doesn't do that most of the time. So I always encourage my students to put stops, place stops, and if you're stopped out, then it's gone. But do not think you can place your stop when you're in a losing situation. So place mentally and then hit the enter button. You won't hit the enter button when you need to hit it. So place your stops. Well, actually, for the time being, I'm on the more bullish side. So I think that considering all the bad news coming in now from a hard Brexit to trade wars and whatever, the market did not lose any of its values when these information come in, so just like the Brexit. And so I think that more or less the market bottomed and is now on the verge to go up again. That may take 1 month more, 2 months more. I don't say that it's going on forever, the whole year, but I'm bullish in the respect that I'm long-oriented and that I think that it should be worthwhile investing long for 1 or 2 months. It then will come, I think, a more, let's say, more drastic correction. Not a crash, but a correction. But in principle, I think the overall upwards market, bullish market will continue. Well, you can say in principle, all markets are now in an uptrend, but me personally, I'm trading the German markets, I'm trading German options, mostly, and US options. German, a little bit of Swiss options. So I trade the German market, mostly the Swiss market, a little bit, and then 50% the US market. I'm not investing in China or I'm not investing in Japan, for example. That's simply for practical reasons. We have so many opportunities in US and Europe, so I'm not so familiar with the Japanese or the Chinese market, so I keep out there. You should understand the market although if you trade with technical analysis, you can trade any market, so to say. So that's not the point. But if you have enough stocks you can look at, then that's fine with me. Europe and US stocks are so many of those that's enough.